Hello guys and welcome my YouTube channel Casino. This is my real account in which I will trade. I made a $1,500 deposit, which I am going to grow. Here, according to this strategy, I will follow the risk management well. I have taken 0.10 lot size is enough. Have placed a buy trade here, which is perfect with our analysis. I will tell what is the reason for placing a buy trade. First, take a trend line and draw it above, which will let you know about the lower high. We'll connect all the lower highs properly so that our analysis works properly. We will take one more trend line which we will draw below. This will tell about the lower low. Here we can clearly see 15-minute candle has broken the trend line and closed. Create a supply and demand area with the help of the rectangle tool. This was a strong support and resistance area which has broken the 15-minute candle. High probability chance that the market will go up. %90 chance our analysis perfect for market to go up. The market is moving up nicely by breaking the trend line. All of you also trade with high volatile pairs, where your chances of winning rate increase. Let's see the market is called. You too take trades with proper analysis. If you don't have any strategy, then you can learn from my video. Let's see where the market will reverse foot forward, by which we will get the indicator that when we have to close our trade. Here's our reverse point if the market breaks it. The market will go up by making it a support. The market has reversed multiple times here too, which is our strong point. All the levels have to be well connected, so that we can get the perfect reverse point. Let's see how long the market comes here. That's where you can be our target point. If the market comes close to this, we will close all our trades. Our stop loss will be below the supply and demand area.
Noob.
Always keep the stop loss slightly away from the support resistance line, so that your stop loss is not hit too quickly. Keep all risk to reward ratio 1:5 or 1:2. With this you will always be in profit. The market is moving upwards by forming support against the resistance line. This is a high probability trade. Here it has also taken support at the lower trend line, so this is our high probability trade. This trend line will act as support in future also. We have grown 40% of the account. Our profit is running at $600. The market respect to our setup. Here is our breakout strategy that works 70 to 80%. The market has broken our resistance level. Here we have got to see a reverse candle, but buyers dominates every sellers too much. Market could go up from here, but we should not be greedy because greed is a bad force. We have achieved 40 pips. We thought the market was gone. I will close all my trades soon because I see another resistance level above it from where the market can come down for a corrective move. We have made 50% return profit. Now I will close all trade. We made a deposit of $1,500, which made it to $2,200. Always keep learning, keep moving forward. Have a nice day. Please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thanks for watching this video.
Welcome to unrealization. We came prepared to kill the operation. It ain't fair, but I feel it with the nation. So raise the flag and do the preparation.